Hi, how's it going? My name is Dimmy. I'm here for R3DLAB and welcome to our very first After Effects tutorial. And this is what we're going to be creating today. Okay, so we're going to make this light streak that goes across our text and this ribbon-like thing that wraps around to create a logo. Okay, the first thing we have to do is create a new comp. So we go over here to the new composition button, click on that. Our window will open and we'll give it a title. Call this new light. You can call it anything you want. We change our size of the comp, frame rate and duration, but I'm going to keep everything the way it is. Click on OK. Okay, our new comp will open up. Then we come up here to layer, new solid, to create our background. Create a orange background. I think make this a bit darker. Click OK, and we'll just name it BG for background. Click OK or enter. Okay, the next thing we need to do is create those black bars. So go back to layer, new solid, and we just call this one bars. Make sure it's black. OK and OK. Okay, to get the bars coming across, we can click on our mask tool. Just create a mask. Select the area you want. Try keep the top and the bottom the same size. Come over here to invert, and there we go. We have our black bars. Okay, to create the text, we come over here to the text tool. Open that up. Click on the down arrow and select the font you want to use and change the font color. Click on the white box, make that black, click on OK and type in new light. Close this to give ourselves some more room. Okay, so now we're going to pre-comp our text. Go to layer, pre-comp, call this title, and make sure you have move all attributes into new composition checked and click on OK. Okay, so double click on the comp. So we go into our text. We go into our text comp, and in here we need to select a well. Now what we're going to do is create that streak that went across. So we go to layer, new adjustment layer. Okay, we can go to our effects and presets and type in exposure, or go up to layer. I think it's on the color correction. There you go, exposure. In our exposure, just scrub our value up till you got white. Get the masks tool again. Off the text, create a long rectangle. Okay, in our masks, open that up. Go to path to add a keyframe. Get your arrow tool. Go to about 1 second. Drag the mask across, holding down the shift key. Just make sure it goes straight, and add a pull it in the middle so you can see what we're going to do, and just feather it off so it's not such a harsh edge. Okay. So now we've added our white streak or glow or whatever it's called. Open the text window again. Close all this. Make sure you're on your text layer, and we're just going to adjust the text a little bit, and maybe pull it in. Okay, yep, that's looking good enough. Okay, back in our main comp, we can close that, don't need it anymore. We can scale the text down. Adjust it, just preview that, it's looking good. Okay, now we're going to add a layer style to our text. So we go to layer, layer style, bevel and emboss. Okay, open the menu up, and in size we go 3, 3 and enter. Okay, we can close that up, and now we've got a cool looking title. Okay, the next thing we're going to do now is create the ribbon, our logo ribbon thing. Go to your project, create a new comp, make sure it's the same size as the other one, 2 seconds is again okay, and we'll just name this logo and enter. Again, we're going to need 2 solids, so layer, new solid, we need a black, and layer, new solid, and make that orange. And I'm just guessing that this is the same orange that I used before. Okay, and okay. Make sure both of them are selected, and just drag it down. Hold down Control and click on the black solid. Just not highlight it anymore. Just pull in the orange. Okay, select both again by holding Control and clicking on the black solid, and just pull it out. Get your rotate tool, rotate it like so, and go back to our main comp, bring our logo in, and in our effects and presets type in CC SVI, and there's our cool looking logo. Put that in position. If you want to make it bigger, just use the radius and just scrub it across. Okay, I think that's looking okay. Might make our title just a bit big. I'll make our title just a bit bigger. You just click on the title. The shortcut there is S. And scale that up a bit. Move it across. Move this across. Okay, now to animate this ribbon, creating the logo. Go back into our logo comp. Make sure both layers are selected. Move both solids out of view. Press P, making sure they're both selected. Go to the start of the comp. Click on the stopwatch to add a keyframe. Go 1 second down, and move this across like so. So we go back to our main comp. You can see it's creating itself. Okay, so if this is looking a bit thick, you can always go back into your logo comp. Make sure you have only one selected. You can change the size. Make it one that's a little bit thinner. Oops. Okay, there we go. Nice, quick and easy. Let's just ramp preview that one. And there you go. We've created our new little title thingy with our little ribbon. Cool looking logo. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Sorry for rushing it a little bit, but again, we did have to keep it under 10 minutes. I'm Dimi Kakalia for R3DLAB, and you can also check my website out, www.pixelmotionstudios.com. See you soon.